Welcome to our tutorial series. Today, we'll walk you through the process of managing your account details, adding users, and updating bank information. Let's get started. First, let's go over how to update your account details. Click on the profile icon next to the notification bell and then click on your username. This will take you to the account details page. Here, you can change your profile picture and cross-check all your details such as email, phone number, and address. You can also add your VAT number and manage your bank details. Next, we'll move on to the Users Admin section. To add a new user, click Add New and enter the necessary details like name, email, and password. Make sure to flip the status bar to active and activate any necessary options before you click Submit. You also have the option to edit or delete user details at any time. In the Bookings Related Notification, Job Status Update section, Invoice Related Notifications section, and the rest of the sections, there are options to enter an email address. This email address will be the recipient of confirmation when a booking has been made, when a booking has been updated, or cancelled, and many instances to do with a booking. These emails can be different according to your preferences. You can also upload your terms and conditions and privacy policy documents before clicking Submit. Finally, let's update your bank details. In the Bank Details section, enter the account holder's name, account number, SWIFT code, and any other important codes. Once you're done, scroll down and click Submit. The entered details will then appear in your account details. And that's it. In the Job Status Update navigated through Logistifie Dispatch Software. In the next If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.